The iconic Toyota Camry, the mid-size sedan that has dominated the roads of Japan for decades, is finally saying sayonara. That's right, Toyota has announced that they will be ending Camry sales in their home country, and the reason behind it is sure to leave you stunned. So buckle up and get ready as we uncover the shocking truth behind Toyota's decision to end Camry sales in Japan. The Toyota Camry, a nameplate synonymous with dependability and practicality, has been a staple in the automotive market for over 3 decades. Since its introduction in 1983, it has grown to become one of the best-selling cars in the world. Its market performances over the years have been nothing short of remarkable, and it continues to impress even the most discerning of drivers. When it comes to the Camry's market performance, there is no denying that it has been a consistent performer. Year after year, the car has continued to sell in large numbers, making it one of the most successful cars in history. Year after year, it continues to be a well-liked vehicle, selling 600,000 units worldwide each year. Although the mid-size market is contracting, the US still accounts for half of those sales and continues to post steady growth. Toyota, however, informed Japanese dealers that manufacture of the Camry for the company's home country is coming to an end since the country fails to sell even 1% of its total worldwide volume. Japanese consumers, like those in the US, have switched from buying sedans to SUVs and crossovers, which are becoming more and more popular. Due to poor sales last year in the Japanese domestic market, the Honda Legend and Nissan Fuga were cancelled. The Toyota Camry will now follow suit. However, the IT will continue to exist in the international market, where it is sold and continues to enjoy high popularity in more than 100 nations. Through the 2022 model year, Toyota will have manufactured more than 21 million Camrys globally since its introduction in 1983. Since the model's introduction, 13 million units of it have been sold in the US, which continues to be its most significant market. After a thorough facelift in 1992, it became a recurrent bestseller and defeated the Ford Taurus to take the top spot in the US vehicle rankings that year. Since then, it has continuously been one of the best-selling vehicles, and from 2002 to 2016, it held the top spot for a 15-year stretch. The Ray V4 overtook the Camry as the best-selling Toyota model on the US market in 2017, despite the fact that the Camry's name means crown in Japanese. Similar losses have been seen in other areas where consumers choose SUVs. Nevertheless, Toyota's worldwide product strategy continues to place a lot of emphasis on the Camry and the smaller Corolla, which are seen as desirable cars in Asia. The current Camry model, available in the Japanese market from 2018, shares designs and client demographics with the Crown. Additionally, it had similar demographics and a similar platform to the Avalon, which was cancelled in 2022. The introduction of the next Camry generation, which will be presented in 2024, is presently being planned by Toyota. The Toyota Camry, which will launch its 9th generation, is quite likely to be a completely revamped version of the mid-size sedan in 2024. As redesigns normally take place every 4 to 5 years, the current Camry model is already beyond its prime, since it was introduced in 2018. Our best guess is that the new sedan will follow the Honda Accord's trend and offer a hybrid-heavy variety of trims, perhaps demoting the gas-only version to lower levels in the lineup. Toyota has yet to even hint at the 2024 Camry's engine specifications. They may use the basic 194 horsepower, 2.0-liter 4-cylinder, and associated electric motors from the new Prius. A V6-powered Camry has no use in today's fuel-conscious market, therefore it could vanish. That would imply that upgraded versions of the present 2.5-liter hybrid engine in the Camry, some of which may have performance goals, will eventually make their way into higher trims. Additionally, we anticipate that all-wheel drive will be available as it was on the current model. Prepare for many brand new Camry powertrains, whatever the situation. The 2024 Camry, which has struggled for generations with a reputation as an unadventurous yet dependable sedan, is also expected to undergo a major change in appearance. Toyota is more focused in developing appealing automobiles than it is in merely having them seem different, as seen by the 2023 Prius. For 2024, we anticipate a more aggressive Camry that will glide through the air more effectively. Consider a lower roofline, a windshield with a sharper rake, hips that are larger, and top trims with larger wheels. Its interior will undoubtedly receive a larger screen, perhaps the 12.3-inch Prius unit, which is the same size as the Accord screen. Additionally, it will undoubtedly be equipped with a variety of cutting-edge driver assistance features, most likely in the form of Toyota Safety Sense, which offers features like automated emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, and lane departure warning. But don't expect the Camry to stop offering the dependable, simple transportation it has always been best at providing. As the years have gone by, the Toyota Camry evolution has been nothing short of extraordinary. It has evolved into one of the most popular and sought-after vehicles on the road. Its sleek design, superior performance, and incredible reliability make it a car that drivers all over the world simply can't resist. Since its first burst onto the scene, it quickly became a favorite among drivers who were looking for a car that was both practical and stylish. Over the years, the Camry has undergone an incredible evolution, and it has become one of the most beloved vehicles of all time. One of the most significant changes that the Camry has undergone over the years has been in its design. The original model was a simple, straightforward car that was designed with function in mind. However, as the years have gone by, the Camry has become increasingly stylish, with sleek lines and bold contours that make it a true work of art. Its performance has also improved significantly over the years. The Pioneer model was a basic, no-frills car that was designed primarily for getting from point A to point B. However, as technology has advanced, the Camry has become one of the most advanced and high-performing vehicles on the road. From its powerful engine to its advanced suspension system, the Camry is a car that can take on even the most challenging driving conditions. But perhaps the most impressive thing about the Camry is its incredible reliability. Throughout its evolution, it has remained one of the most dependable cars on the road, with a reputation for lasting for years and years without any major issues. This is due in large part to the fact that Toyota has always placed a strong emphasis on quality and durability, ensuring that every Camry that rolls off the assembly line is built to last. Of course, no discussion of the Toyota Camry's evolution would be complete without mentioning its many incredible features. From its advanced safety systems to its cutting-edge entertainment technology, the Camry is a car that is packed with features that are designed to make driving both safer and more enjoyable. And with each passing year, Toyota continues to introduce new and innovative features that keep the car at the forefront of automotive technology. Another impressive thing about the Camry is the way that it has managed to stay relevant and popular over the years. Despite the fact that the automotive industry has changed dramatically over the last few decades, the Camry has continued to be one of the most beloved cars on the road. This is a testament not only to its quality and reliability, but also to Toyota's commitment to continually improving and updating the Camry to meet the ever-changing needs of drivers. The Toyota Camry's incredible evolution over the years is nothing short of breathtaking. From its simple beginnings as a basic no-frills car to its current status as one of the most advanced and stylish vehicles on the road, it has come a long way over the last few decades. And with each passing year, it only seems to get better and better. So whether you're a die-hard Camry fan or you're just looking for a reliable and stylish car, the Toyota Camry is a vehicle that you simply can't afford to overlook. What do you think of Toyota's decision to end its Camry sales in Japan? Please share your comments below. And if you want to enjoy more insightful content like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching.